Good morning, student. In previous class, we studied about the poles of the magnet and about the magnetic and non-magnetic materials in chapter 13. So let's continue the remaining part of our chapter. Our next topic is using a magnet to find direction. Student, today we use magnets for various purposes, but in ancient time, the primary use of magnet was to find the direction. पुराने टाइम में मैग्नेट को ओनली किस लिए यूज़ किया जाता है किया जाता था टू फाइंड द डायरेक्शन. So if a magnet is allowed to move freely, it comes to rest in a direction that is very close to Earth's north-south direction. So this property of a magnet was used to find the direction on the surface of the Earth by travelers. An instrument with a magnet that is used to find the direction, that is known as magnetic compass. Here is the picture of magnetic compass. So a compass usually is a small box with a glass cover on it, and a magnetized needle is pivoted inside the box, which can rotate freely. The compass also has a dial with direction that is marked on it, and the compass is kept at the place where we wish to know the direction. Its needle indicate the north-south direction when it comes to rest. So the compass is then rotated until the north and south marked on the dial are at two ends of the needle. So to identify the north pole of the magnetic needle, it is usually painted in a different color. So by using a compass, we also find the direction. Student, you can also make your magnet. For this, you need a rectangular piece of iron and a bar magnet. When without lifting the bar magnet, if you move it along the length of the iron bar till you reach the other end. Now you have to lift the magnet and bring the pole to the same point of the iron bar from which you began, and move the magnet again along the iron bar in the same direction as you did before. If you repeat this activity, this process about 30 to 40 times, and if you brings a pin or some iron flings, ये 30-40 टाइम करने के बाद जब आप कोई भी आयरन की चीज़ को लेके आओगे in the near of the iron bar, the iron nails and the iron flings attract to the iron bar. So now your iron bar is ready for the using as a bar magnet. जो आपने आयरन बार लिया था वो किस में चेंज हो गया है? It is changed into the bar magnet. So if you can make your own magnet, and you can make your own compass also. For this, you have to insert the magnetized needle through a small piece of cork, or we can say in a form. So what you have to need, you need a magnetized needle, and you have to insert the magnetized needle through a small piece of cork, and let the cork float in a water, in a ball, or in a tub. But you should careful about that the needle does not touch the water. जो आपने needle इसमें डाली है cork में, वो water को touch नहीं करनी चाहिए. So if now your compass is ready, and you can use this compass to find the direction, because there is also two poles, north pole and south pole, in the magnetized needle. Student, our next topic is attraction and repulsion of magnet. Student, you know that the magnet have two poles, that is north pole and south pole. So if you when unlike poles, unlike means the north pole and south pole. So if the unlike poles of magnet like north south or south and north are brought close to each other, then they attract. जब आप अनलाइक पोल मीन्स एक मैग्नेट का आपका नॉर्थ पोल एंड सेकंड मैग्नेट का आपका साउथ पोल, जब आप अनलाइक पोल्स को एक दूसरे के पास लाते हैं, देन दे अट्रैक्ट टू ईच अदर, एंड दिस वन इज कॉल्ड अट्रैक्शन. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? when unlike poles of the magnet, that is NS or SN, are brought close to each other, then they attract, and this process is known attraction. And when the like poles of magnet, like north and south, they are brought close to each other, they repel, and this is process is नॉन रिपल्शन. जब आप एक ही जैसे पोल लाइक नॉर्थ एंड साउथ को एक दूसरे की तरफ लाओगे तो वो अट्रैक्ट नहीं होंगे, वो एक दूसरे से दूर जाएंगे, रिपल होंगे. सो when the like poles of magnet are brought close to each other, they repel, and this process is non-repulsion. So then there are two types of magnet. We can say they are temporary and permanent. So magnet that their magnetic properties only for a short period of time, that is called temporary magnet, and magnets that retain their magnetic property for a long period of time, they are known as परमानेंट मैग्नेट. कुछ मैग्नेट ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी मैग्नेटिक जो प्रॉपर्टी होती है वो शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए ही होती है, उसके बाद उनका मैग्नेटिज्म खत्म हो जाता है. सो दे आर नोन एज टेम्परेरी, एंड द मैग्नेट दैट देयर मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी इज फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दे आर नोन एज परमानेंट मैग्नेट. स्टूडेंट, we should follow some caution while we use magnet, or we can say while using magnet we have to care some things, like a magnet can lose its property due to the following activities, like if you dropping from a height, अगर आप मैग्नेट को हाइट से नीचे गिराते हो, बहुत ऊंचाई से अगर आप नीचे गिराते हो तो इसका जो मैग्नेटिज्म है वो ख़त्म हो जाता है. इफ़ यू हिटिंग विथ हैमर, अगर आप हैमर से उसको हिट करते हो तो भी उसका मैग्नेटिज्म खत्म हो जाता है. अप्लाइंग हीट, जब मैग्नेट को हम बहुत गर्म कर देते हैं तो उसका मैग्नेटिज्म खत्म हो जाता है. एंड इम्प्रॉपर स्टोरेज कैन ऑल्सो कॉज लॉस ऑफ मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज, बिकॉज द बार मैग्नेट शुड बी स्टोर इन अ पेयर विथ अनलाइक पोल्स अलॉन्ग साइड ईच अदर. जो भी मैग्नेट आप स्टोर करते हो उनके अनलाइक जो पोल होते हैं तो उसको बिल्कुल आपको प्रॉपरली उसको स्टोर करना पड़ता है इन अ पेयर. अगर आप प्रॉपरली इसको स्टोर नहीं कर सकते तो उसका जो मैग्नेटिज्म है वो ख़त्म हो जाता है. एंड हॉर्स शू मैग्नेट, जो हमने स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ा था द टाइप्स ऑफ मैग्नेट, तो जो हॉर्स शू मैग्नेट होता है इट शुड बी स्टोर विथ अ पीस ऑफ सॉफ्ट आयरन केप्ट अक्रॉस इट्स पोल. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? सो देयर आर सो मेनी यूजेस ऑफ magnet also. In a credit card, in an ATM cards, and in an identity card have a strip of magnetic material that store information. जितने भी आपके कार्ड होते हैं उसमें जो चिप होती है वो किसकी बनी होती है? मैग्नेट की. and it store information. Television and computer monitors also use magnets. Computer hard disk and audio and video cassettes have magnetic material that store information. And magnets are also used in picking up substance that are made up of iron from the scrap yard. जब भी कोई स्क्रैप यार्ड होता है जहाँ पे बहुत चीज़ें पड़ी हुई होती है और उसमें से आपको आयरन की थिंग्स को अलग करना है तो भी हम उस क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं? मैग्नेट. सो द मैग्नेट आर ऑल्सो यूज इन पिकिंग अप सब्सटेंस दैट आर मेड अप ऑफ आयरन. So student, our chapter is complete. I hope you understood this chapter. So read this chapter.